In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Amazon Prime Video. To get started, open your web browser. This is the first step in reaching out to Amazon Prime Video's customer service. Type Amazon Prime Video into the search bar. You can use any web browser you prefer, such as Chrome, Firefox, or Safari. It's crucial to ensure you are in a safe and secure digital environment. This helps protect your personal information. Once you have the search results, look for the official Amazon Prime Video link. You'll want to make sure you select the correct link. Look for anything that clearly says Amazon Prime Video. Avoid clicking on ads or unauthentic links. This step is important because accessing the official site ensures you are getting the best and most up-to-date customer service options. Now that you've opened the official Amazon Prime Video website, log into your account. Use your Amazon credentials, which include your email address and password. Logging in is key, as it allows the customer service representative to access your account details. This ensures they can help you effectively with any issues you might have. Scroll down to the bottom of the page to find the footer, and click on the Help link. The footer is a section at the bottom of the website where you'll find important links. Clicking Help will direct you to a page filled with resources and information. This is a vital step because it connects you to the support section of Amazon Prime Video. When you are on the Help page, look for the Contact Us option and click on it. This link is usually prominently displayed and is your gateway to direct customer support. Clicking this link ensures that you can reach out to Amazon Prime Video directly with your issue. Now you'll see a drop-down menu under Tell us more about your issue. Click on this drop-down menu to select the topic that best matches your concern. This might include issues like billing, streaming problems, or account questions. Selecting the right topic helps the customer service team understand your issue quickly and accurately. There are two main options for contacting a representative. You can either start a text-based live chat session by clicking Start Chatting Now, or request a phone call. If you choose to chat, a representative will join you in a chat window to assist. Alternatively, you can request a phone call, where you'll type in your telephone number and receive an instant ring from a live agent. Both options are effective depending on your preference and the urgency of your issue. Remember, contacting Amazon Prime Video support can resolve many issues fast. Whether it's a billing question, a technical glitch, or something else, these steps should guide you through the process smoothly. With that ready, you can now feel confident reaching out to Amazon Prime Video's customer service team. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. If you follow these steps, you should have no trouble contacting Amazon Prime Video for all your streaming needs. If you still have questions, feel free to explore additional resources on their website. Have a great day.